been living here for 15 years, and in the time I've been living here, I've seen a lot of things going on and that. There were 4 other houses. Well, it was a duplex straight down the back of the alleyway, right there, and then 3 other houses that lined the other street over there. And they were all just going down one right after another. But once they tore the bar down, everything just kept dropping right after that, one right after another. Well, I know Butler's been trying to clean up the act around here. I know they've been. Unfortunately, I see it as a endless battle as far as it goes for the whole drug scene and everything else.